Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for NEET and JEE preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of chemistry, which is carbohydrates and lipids, structure and functions. Carbohydrates and lipids are essential biomolecules that play a crucial role in the structure and function of living organisms. These organic compounds serve as the primary sources of energy, structural components, and signaling molecules in biological systems, making them indispensable for sustaining life. Carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and they serve as the main energy source for most organisms. They can be classified into simple carbohydrates, known as monosaccharides and disaccharides, and complex carbohydrates, which include polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates and are readily absorbed by the body. Disaccharides consist of two monosaccharide units linked together, requiring enzymatic breakdown before they can be utilized for energy. Polysaccharides, on the other hand, are long chains of monosaccharide units that serve as energy storage molecules or structural components in cells. One of the most well-known polysaccharides is starch, which is the primary energy reserve in plants. It consists of long chains of glucose molecules that can be broken down during metabolism to provide energy. In animals, glycogen serves as the storage form of glucose, primarily found in the liver and muscles. When energy is needed, glycogen is broken down into glucose, which is then used by cells to generate ATP, the energy currency of the body. Another important polysaccharide is cellulose, a major structural component of plant cell walls. Unlike starch and glycogen, cellulose cannot be digested by humans due to the absence of specific enzymes, but it plays a vital role in maintaining digestive health by acting as dietary fiber. In addition to their role as energy sources, carbohydrates are also involved in cell recognition and communication. Glycoproteins and glycolipids, which are molecules composed of carbohydrates attached to proteins and lipids, respectively, play a crucial role in immune response, cell signaling, and molecular recognition. These molecules help the body identify foreign invaders and facilitate cell-to-cell communication, ensuring proper physiological function. Lipids, another vital class of biomolecules, are hydrophobic molecules that include fats, oils, phospholipids, and steroids. They are primarily composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but unlike carbohydrates, they have a much lower proportion of oxygen. Lipids are crucial for long-term energy storage, as they provide more than twice the energy per gram compared to carbohydrates. They also serve as structural components of cell membranes, insulation for the body, and precursors for important signaling molecules. Carbohydrates perform a variety of essential functions in the body. They are the primary source of energy, as they are broken down into simpler forms and metabolized to produce ATP, the energy currency of the cell. Apart from energy storage and production, carbohydrates contribute to cell recognition and signaling, particularly in immune responses and cellular interactions. Structural carbohydrates, like cellulose in plants and chitin in arthropods, provide rigidity and protection to cells and organisms. Lipids, on the other hand, are a diverse group of hydrophobic molecules composed mainly of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Unlike carbohydrates, lipids do not dissolve in water but are soluble in nonpolar solvents. The major classes of lipids include triglycerides, phospholipids, and steroids, each playing a distinct role in biological systems. Triglycerides, commonly known as fats and oils, are composed of glycerol and fatty acids. They serve as long-term energy storage molecules, providing more energy per gram compared to carbohydrates. When the body requires energy, stored fats are broken down into fatty acids and metabolized to produce ATP. Phospholipids are crucial components of cell membranes. They consist of a glycerol backbone attached to two fatty acids and a phosphate group. Their unique amphipathic nature, meaning they have both hydrophobic and hydrophilic regions, allows them to form the bilayer structure of cell membranes, providing integrity and selective permeability to cells. This property is essential for maintaining cellular homeostasis and facilitating communication between cells. Fats and oils, also known as triglycerides, consist of glycerol and three fatty acid chains. These molecules serve as energy reserves in animals and plants. In humans, excess energy is stored in adipose tissue in the form of fat, which provides insulation and protection for internal organs. Unsaturated fats, which contain double bonds in their fatty acid chains, are considered healthier than saturated fats, which lack double bonds and can contribute to cardiovascular diseases when consumed in excess. Phospholipids are essential components of cell membranes, forming a bilayer that provides structural integrity and regulates the movement of substances into and out of cells. Their amphipathic nature, meaning they have both hydrophilic and hydrophobic regions, allows them to form stable membranes that protect cellular contents while enabling selective transport. Cholesterol, a type of lipid, is also crucial for maintaining membrane fluidity and serves as a precursor for the synthesis of hormones such as testosterone and estrogen. Steroids, another class of lipids, play a critical role in biological processes. They include hormones like cortisol, which helps regulate metabolism and immune response, and vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. Lipids also function as signaling molecules in processes such as inflammation, blood clotting, and nervous system regulation. Carbohydrates and lipids are indispensable for life, serving multiple functions that range from energy provision to cell communication and structural integrity. Advances in biochemical research continue to explore their diverse roles, leading to better insights into metabolism, nutrition, and disease prevention. A thorough understanding of these biomolecules is essential for fields such as medicine, biotechnology, and nutrition science, shaping future innovations that can improve human health and longevity. Thank you. We hope this video has helped you gain a clearer understanding of hydrogen and its compounds, especially the fascinating role of heavy water and isotopes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AskPrep for more in-depth chemistry lessons. Keep studying, stay curious, and good luck with your exams.